So as far as like clarifying your goal and starting there, what do you think is if somebody's having a hard time with that? Do you have any ideas or techniques or anything for somebody who's like, well, you know what, Sonny, I really just I don't exactly know what I want. Where would you start with someone at
Mhm.
that point? You think?
I know because I've been there too. Like, at one point I had no idea I was going to go into this field at all. Like, think about it. Like, I was a business major in college, and I was going towards that career in finance. So I remember not knowing at all what I was passionate about, but I was like, okay, I have to go for what I'm passionate about. But I'm like, okay, but what am I passionate about? I have no idea, right? The only thing I knew at that time was that I really enjoyed reading. Like, that was the only thing. Like, if you gave me all the money in the world at that time and were like, okay, what would you do every day? I'll probably just read. And so really that's all I did. Like, your passion, your purpose comes to you in like breadcrumbs, and you have to just follow that one step that is ahead of you. And how do you know what that one step is? In any moment, ask yourself, right? Like, what will make you most joyful right now? Like, what would you do every single day that truly will make your life a holiday? And then just start doing that one activity. And the thing is, like, after that, just, okay, I started reading and whatnot a lot and spending a lot of my time doing that. And then that eventually evolved into a blog, which eventually evolved into a YouTube channel, which eventually evolved into, coaching and courses and all that stuff. But have the courage to follow just one step at a time. And while you do that, while you follow your joy, which will eventually turn into a passion, while you do that, start to establish some sort of meditation or mindfulness practice. I think people getting into transurfing, your transurfing practice will deepen and bring you so much more results if you start meditating alongside of it. It's not necessary, but I really recommend it because think about it this way. People don't know what they want to do in their lives, right? Because throughout their entire lives, all their attention has gone to the outside of them, to external reality, right? Now, what meditation is taking for just a few moments of their day, taking attention away from everything external and bringing it inside, bringing it within. So within meditation, just one of the benefits of it is you find out so much about yourself, about your own thoughts, about your own desires, about your own like self-sabotaging, like you constantly just all these patterns. The world opens up to you when you direct your attention within. So if you really don't know what you want to do, number one, follow your joy, continue to just follow that breadcrumb trail. And then two, meditate as much as you can throughout the day, maybe like in bunches every single time, like 5 minutes at a time. But this whole purpose and passion will start opening up to you if you just do these two things.
Yeah, that's excellent. Yeah, I love that. That's great.